morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Rowena M. Catenza.
How old are you?
I am 38 years old.
What is your education level?
I am high school graduate.
Can you read and write English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you married or single?
I am a married ma'am.
If married, how many children?
I have 3 kids, ma'am.
How old are your children?
They are 12 years old, 9 years old, and 3 years old.
Where did you stay, in the province or here in Manila?
I may stay here in Manila, ma'am.
Do you have experience before working here in the Philippines
Yes, ma'am.
or in other countries?
No, ma'am.
How long you work here in the Philippines?
7 years, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of food?
A Filipino dish, ma'am.
Do you know how to take care baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is the baby you take care?
5 years old, ma'am.
Who is the baby?
I employer before, ma'am.
Do you like to take care newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to take care elder people?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is the elder people?
81 years old, ma'am.
Who is the elder people?
My mother, ma'am.
Do you willing to help elder people to take a bath?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you wash car?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you drive car?
No, ma'am.
Can you ride bicycle?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you finish your contract for 2 years?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke cigarette?
No, ma'am.
Are you afraid of pet like dog?
No, ma'am.
Do you have allergies?
No, ma'am.
Do you know how to garden or any knowledge in gardening?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to bring friends inside the house or any place near to the house?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, why do you want to work other country? Explain why.
To earn money for the future of my children, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.